What's up everybody, Colin here for Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at some headphones from Soundpeats, and these are the Air6 HS's. I've already unboxed these and everything. I didn't think that a headphone unboxing was very necessary. Everybody kind of knows what's in the package on these, but I wanted to open them up and use them for a couple weeks and have some time to experience them and just use them in my day-to-day life. Watching YouTube and stuff like that is mainly my usage for headphones. And these offer about 9 hours of playtime and up to 45 total hours with the charging case combined, so you know your recharges from the case and stuff like that. These are not noise canceling headphones. They are just standard, you know, in-ear earbud style headphones. No silicone or foam tips or anything like that. They did come with a charging cable, some instructions, and there is also an app to control them, which we will go over here in a second. But here are the headphones themselves. They come in a pretty nice case with a little LED status indicator down there on the bottom to tell you, the battery status and stuff like that. But you just take them out like so. They're just magnetic. They kind of remind me of the older AirPod styles or earpods, the wired ones, and the first gen wireless ones. That's kind of what the ear tip reminds me of. But again, they are just plastic. They're not, there's no silicone on them or anything like that. So there is no noise cancellation. There's no noise blocking. And they're not sealing in your ear. So if you prefer headphones that do not have those silicone ear tips, then these are a good pair for you. I'm going to put them back in the case here. I've been using them with my iPhone Air, but I just downloaded the app on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up on here so you guys can see it. And it just kind of walks you through everything right there. We're going to go ahead and log in with my existing account. If I can remember the password, because I only signed in once. Let's see. See if I can remember. All right, there we go. So we had it. I had my password saved in my phone, so we're good to go. All right, so we're going to hit the button here on the bottom to put them in pairing mode. I got to open the case, and then we will push the button on the bottom and hit pair now. For some reason, the thing in the app does not take us to the right sections, but there we go. Other devices, Soundpeats Air6 HS. We're connected, so we'll go back to the app. And then there we go. It looks like we do have a firmware update in the app. Let me put this in dark mode so you guys can... Okay, the app does not have dark mode. Let me turn the brightness down so hopefully you guys can see this a little better. We've got spatial audio. You've got your toggle right there for that. We do have a dual device connection, so you can connect it to up to 2 devices at the same time and have it automatically switch between the two. So you can see I've got it paired to my 17 Pro Max, which it's currently connected to, my MacBook and my iPhone Air, which are in the other room. You've got your equalizer settings, your dual, your gesture controls. You can turn those on or off or customize what those controls do. Prompt sound guide. You can change the language and the volume for that there. Dynamic EQ, drainage function if you get like some water in them or anything like that. You can use that to remove some moisture from them. Game mode, and then I have the touch controls turned off because usually I use these when I'm laying in bed watching YouTube, and sometimes like laying on them makes the touch controls activate, so I just turn that off. You've got a find earbud section here, which you can have them locate the earbuds and stuff like that. I'm going to move that off the screen before the map comes up. And then we have your firmware update down here, which, like I said, we did have a firmware update, so we can apply that there. And then if you take the headphones out, you can see the status for the batteries for each different earbud right there in the app. So you've got some sound settings here, and then your customer service section in the app right there. So pretty nice, very easy to use headphones. They're nothing too fancy. If you just want a good pair of, headphones for while you're working out or something like that, you're going to be outside. You don't want the noise cancellation. These are definitely good headphones. I'll highly recommend them. And they do make some models with some noise cancellation if that's what you're looking for as well. I will leave a link to these in the description down below to where you can pick them up on Amazon. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.